Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up VeriFactu with VitePOS and how to print a receipt that includes VeriFactu information. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Required plugin setup. Let's begin with the setup process. To use VeriFactu with VitePOS, you must install several required plugins. Here you can see the plugins already installed on our site. VitePOS VeriFactu for WooCommerce. VitePOS VeriFactu connector for VitePOS. VitePOS Factura for WooCommerce. PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce by WP Overnight. Both free and pro versions are supported. These 4 plugins are mandatory to use VeriFactu with VitePOS. PDF invoice configuration. Now, let's configure the PDF invoice settings. Go to WooCommerce PDF invoice settings, then navigate to the Documents tab. Here, you'll find the invoice configuration options. If you're using the free version of PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce, configure the simplified invoice. If you're using the pro version, configure the Factura option instead. After completing the configuration, save your settings. VitePOS configuration. We'll configure VitePOS. After installing all required plugins, you'll find VitePOS in your WordPress admin dashboard. Open the VitePOS settings and navigate to the Issuer tab. Here, configure the issuer information that will appear on your electronic invoices, such as company details and tax information. Once all required fields are filled in, save the changes. VitePOS admin panel settings. Now, let's move to the VitePOS admin panel. Go to Settings, Print Settings. Here, we'll configure all necessary options to print receipts with VeriFactu details. Receipt header settings. First, enable Show VAT registration number if it is disabled. Next, set the tax label and enter the appropriate tax registration number. As you make changes, you'll see them reflected in the live preview. Order information. Locate Show Order Tax QR code and enable it. You can preview the QR code on the sample receipt. Choose the QR code position, either header or footer, based on your preference. Item details. If you want to display the unit tax percentage, navigate to Item Details. Enable Show Unit Tax Percentage. Optionally, customize the unit tax label. After completing all configurations, save the settings. POS panel preview. Now let's see how everything looks in the POS panel. Open the VitePOS POS, select a few products, choose a payment method, and complete the order. As you can see, all VeriFactu information is displayed correctly on the VitePOS receipt, including VAT details, order information, the QR code, and item level tax details, exactly according to our configured settings. Additionally, the receipt displays the unit tax percentage. If your products use different tax rates, this value clearly indicates the exact tax percentage applied to each individual product. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more updates.